Welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. In today's video, we will explore Kotlin's getter setters and the powerful late init modifier. So let me write here in the comment late init modifier and what I am saying getters and setters. So guys, in Kotlin, if we make a class of student and suppose here is a variable of name that's type is of string and its value is Ali. So by default, every property automatically has a getter setter. Getter setter means getter setters are functions to get value and set value to the variables of a class. So suppose we make here an object of student class, and if I print here the value of the name of this s, it means that here I am calling the getter method. And if I am supposed to write here s dot name is equal to Krish, it means that I am using a setter here. So let me write here uses setter, and here I am using the getter. So this is the by default property of every variable. But if you want to write explicit getter and setter of any variable, so how you can do that? You can do that by writing here get, and here suppose you are getting the value of this name, and similarly if you want to set the value, so you will write here set value, and here you will use name equals to value, and you will store the value into the name variable. Okay, so if you are setting the value, so you will write here the field, suppose the name, if the if that value is means fine, that value is fulfilling all the validation conditions, then you will set the value to the variable of the class. So suppose let me write here if that is an age of a student and that is of integer type, and its value of this age is 18. So here I will return the age in get method, and in set method what I will write here age equals to, if this value, I will write here if this value is greater than 0, so this value will go into the age variable, otherwise 0 will go into the age variable. Okay, so you can use here s dot get method, and you will s dot get method. So you will you can get and set the values to the fields of the class by explicit methods, and in some languages we call these getter methods as a accessor, and we call these setter methods as mutators. Now let's talk about late init. So late init basically allows you to initialize the variable later. So it's very helpful when you are sure that the variable will be initialized before it use. So like in Android activities and dependency injections, if let's suppose there we need to initialize the dependency before the usage of that part of the code. So suppose let me give you an example of that one. So suppose there is a class of name user, and user has an email ID. So I will make here var email colon, and here I will use string, but I want to make it late init. Okay, so I will write the keyword late init here. Now I will show you the magic of this late init in the main function. So suppose there is a function of set email, and we are taking the email address here of string type, and we are going to store that email address into the email of class variable, and then I am writing here a function of print email, and I will call this function from main to print the email, and I am writing here if I want to call the method of the same class, so I will use scope resolution operator here, and I can check that email dot, if that is initialized. Here you can check that if that is initialized, so you will print that email, we will print that email address. So we can say email colon, and we will use here dollar email. And in else part we can say that email not initialized yet. So let me write here print, and email is not initialized yet. So here in main I will make object of the user. So here capital U, and let me print here user dot print email. So we will see that what will be the output of this code. So you can see the error that platform declaration clash. The following declaration means this set email that is also the same with the JVM signature. So we can change the name of this method set. We can write here set the email. Okay, so let's run it, and now you will see the answer that email is not initialized yet. Now let's initialize the email user dot set email, and here we provide Rana Waqas at gmail.com. So we will so let me write my correct email ID, ranawaqas.pa@gmail.com. So you can contact me on this email ID if you need any personalized learning, or if you have any query, or if you stuck in your projects or assignments, so you can take help from me. So okay, let's run it, and here you will see that email is not being initialized. This was the message for this call, and then it is printing the output email, so that is this one. Okay, so guys, this is what we learned today about Lateinit, but here are a few points that we need to discuss. That Lateinit basically allows you to declare non-null variables that will be initialized later. So it only works with the non-primitive data types, like the objects of classes like string, list, and your custom class. It cannot be used with integer, float, or double, that are primitive data types. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of future videos of this series. So see you in my next video. Take care.